Then the clinical anatomy of the parotid gland. The inflammatory swelling of the parotid gland is very much painful because the parotid gland is covered with the superficial tough lamellae of the false capsule, and the unyielding nature of the superficial lamellae, they prevent the swelling of the parotid gland. So the inflammatory swelling of the parotid gland is very much painful, and the glenoid process of the parotid gland is responsible for the pain during mastication. Then the mumps is the viral infection of the parotid gland. Then if there is any abscess of the parotid gland, the abscess is drained and by the incision which is present horizontally, and this incision is called the Hilton's incision. Then the parotid tumor. The parotid tumor is benign and the tumor never damages the facial nerve and its branches. Then the important clinical anatomy is the parotid gland is supplied by the auriculotemporal nerve, and parotid gland there is present also the great auricular nerve. So if there is any external injury, and the injury if damage the great auricular nerve and the auriculotemporal nerve, then during the process of the healing, the auriculotemporal nerve, when it is regenerated, this fiber of this auriculotemporal nerve is joined with the distal nerve fiber of the great auricular nerve. So when there is need of the secretion during the or need the salivation, then there is appearance of the bead of perspiration during the mastication, or when there is need of the salivation, there is perspiration in the skin of the parotid gland. So there is the joining of the fiber of the auriculotemporal nerve and the great auricular nerve. When there is needed of the salivation, there is the perspiration or the sweating over the skin of the parotid gland. This is called the French syndrome, and this is very important for the clinical anatomy of the parotid gland.